Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Rebel with William O'Neill India. Before we starting this session, this is a standard disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all the related documents carefully before investing. So we'll start the session. If you see, U.S. market has been ended on the mixed side, where S&P 500 consecutively gained for almost five trading session. However, Dow Jones has been came under pressure from the earnings from the Tesla as well as uh, Boeing. So it's closed on a negative note, and European market has been closed on a stronger note yesterday. So it's gained more than almost 1%, 1.5%. And taking cues from the US market, Asian market has been trading in the mixed territory, where Hang Seng is 0.6 positive, and Japan and Korean market is trading in the lower levels. And Gift Nifty currently trading around 21,450 kind of level. So it's almost flat to muted opening we can expect in the for the Indian bourses. So come to the key news. Yesterday, Tesla has been reported weak earnings, where stock is down around 6%. That is and Boeing also, one of the major aircraft carrier maker, is also fell around 4%. So that's the reason where US market has been came under pressure. And also today and tomorrow, they're going to report its Q4 GDP data. So that is also very crucial for US market. So that is the reason majorly index traded in the mixed note. And come to the domestic market, Bharti Airtel repays around 8,300 crore of spectrum rooms in for 2015 acquisition. And NHPC government issue up to 50.50 lakh shares at around 71 per share via offer to sell to eligible employees. And Mazagon Dock Builders has signed a contract, received a contract worth around 1,070 crores for its 14 past petrol vessels. And Piramal Enterprise arm to acquire around 10% stake in Annapurna Finance for 300 crores. So come to the key earnings news yesterday. There is a top companies have reported its earnings, and majority of the earnings are very good. And first one is Tata Steel, where from the last quarter, where it has reported the loss, and but this time it's came back, and it's reported a net profit growth. So around 552 crores, and revenue is down around 3% to 55,300 crores. TVS Motor reported Q3 earnings. Net profit grew around 68%. With revenue is up around 26%. Is a very good earnings from TVS Motor as well. And Dalmia Bharat also reported very good numbers, 24% net profit up, and revenue is up around 7%. On the downside here, Laurus Lab has reported Q3 earnings, net profit down around 89%. And revenue is also down around 23%. So weak numbers from Laurus Labs. And CEAT has reported net profit of 181 crores, and revenue is up around 8%, 9%. So very good recent earnings from CEAT as well. And DLF also reported very good earnings, net profit up around 27%, and revenue up around 2% from the YOY. And Bajaj Auto, it beats the estimates. Net profit jumps around 37% YOY to 2,042 crores. And the key earnings is due is today is JSW, Adani Power, Hindustan Petroleum, AU Bank, Vedanta, SBI Card, Tata Technology, and IEX. So come to the derivative data. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty is PCR. If you see, it's below one. So there is a negative Q for from the option data front. So Uh, if it is no, PCR is below 1, it's a slightly negative for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And maximum call OI on the Nifty is placed around 22,000, followed by 21,700. And maximum put OI is placed around 21,000 on the down 21,000 and 21,400. On the Bank Nifty, it's 47,000 and 46,500. Maximum call is placed, and put OI is placed around 44,000 and 43,000. So we'll come to the chart of both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, where placement has been it's trading. So if you see this chart from the Nifty 50, this is a daily chart of Nifty 50. So from last 1 week, especially after last Tuesday, after this making its high around 22,000 level. So it has been making a lower high price pattern. So also, if you observe this chart pattern from the last 1 week, it has made a island reversal pattern, bearish. That is a bearish formation, as well as it's breached its 21 DMA, which was a crucial support from the last three months for the Nifty. So currently, yesterday, if you see observe the chart, so yesterday's low is around 21,150 kind of level. So after the tremendous fall on the Tuesday this week, there is some bounce back in the Nifty, but the volume is slightly lower on the Nifty on the yesterday's trading session. So there is a slight bounce back in the Nifty, but let's see this low, that is 21,150 and 21,000. So if you observe 21,050 DMA is also placed around that level, as well as previous swing low that is also placed around 21,000 is placed around that level. So psychological level also which matters here, where 21,000 is a crucial level for Nifty 50. So the next levels of support, we can easily say that 21,000, 21,150 is a crucial level for Nifty. So unable to if it fails to hold that 21,000 level, so we might see some more sell off in the bearish signs we can see in the Nifty as well. On the upside, this 21 DMA as well as 21,700 is a key level to watch on the upside. So any trend change we can see only after 21,700 level. So that is a very huge. We might see some volatility in the coming days, where an index likely to trade in this particular range. And come to the Bank Nifty. So come to the Bank Nifty, it's clearly underperforming to Nifty, where after touching its 48,000 high, it's sharply from last 1 week, it's sharply has been fallen and came to around 44,500 levels. Also, if you observe from the weekly chart patterns, so it's making a similar kind of a rounded top formation. So it's a bearish sign where it's trading around this level. Also, if you see, it has closed the gap of this breakout level from the in the month of December. So it has been closed that gap right now. So let's see how it goes where in the coming session. Also, if you see on the DMA side, it has been yesterday it has been breached its 200 DMA briefly, but however, strong buying from the PSU banks and other stocks, banking stocks. It has been given a very good bounce back. However, it is closed around above its 200 DMA. Also, if you see, momentum indicator is deteriorated on the both MACD as well as RSI. So here the range is very high, where conviction clearly underperforming. However, after this sharp fall, we might see some pullback trade which is going to happen in Bank Nifty. So this is a 46,400 is a crucial level on the Bank Nifty, which is 50 DMA, which is also placed around that level. So index likely to trade within this range for the coming days. So that's it from my side in today's webinar, and I would like to invite you all for today's evening session, where in detail we discuss all the major sectors, as well as we'll take the queries of your stocks in the evenings around 4:30 p.m. So I would like to join you all for that session. So thank you for joining this session. Thank you.